Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial in my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an arbitrage trading opportunity with this new app I found. Okay, this app hasn't been long, it got launched. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about this particular app if you should go on trading with it, taking an arbitrage opportunity with it. So this is a review on arbitrage trading app, this new one. Okay, and this particular arbitrage trading app, it's similar to Arbihunt app. Okay, now first thing first, all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and you are going to be searching for the particular arbitrage trading app. Not like you are trading arbitrage on it, but it gives you arbitrage trading signal, where you go and take that opportunity in whatever exchange you are trading on, or whichever exchange it showed you that opportunity in. Okay, so now we go to our Chrome, then we are going to be searching for Arbimate. Okay, so you just go and search for Arbimate. So let's do that together. You search for Arbimate. Okay, so if you search for Arbimate, so this is what you're going to be seeing, and right here is it. This is the Arbimate right now. So this is the particular website, so you are going to be entering it. So reason why you are coming to this website is because the website is where you are going to be opening this account with them, because you need to create an account with them. Okay, and once you get to the website, make sure to go through all the things right here on this web. Just get to know about them, read about them, know things about them, go to the FAQs, go through all the questions and answers right there. Okay, frequently asked questions. Okay, so after getting it, the next thing you have to do is come to the top icon here, this bar. You click on it and you create an account with them. So right here, and creating an account is very simple, which is you just need your Gmail to create an account with this particular Arbimate app. So that's what you need. They also do affiliates, so you can do affiliates with them, whereby anyone that uses your link, they are going to be giving you something for it. Okay, about 30%. So if you want to know more about their affiliates, you just click on it right here and you are going to be knowing more about their affiliate. Share Arbimate and earn up to 50% commission on every sale. Our tied affiliate program reward you more as you grow, with the potential to earn hundreds of dollars per month. Okay, so this is it. So earn up to this per referral. So now, after creating an account with your Gmail, the next thing is to go and download that particular app in Play Store, Google Play Store. So because I'm using an Android phone, where I'm going to be downloading this is in my Google Play Store. But if you're using iOS, an iPhone, just know that you are going to be downloading it in App Store. So you can get it anywhere, either the App Store or you get it on the Google Play Store. So right now, let's head on to Google Store. That's the Play Store right now. You just search for it. So you search for it and get it download. You search for Arbimate, and right here is it. You download it if you haven't downloaded, but right now I've downloaded it already, so there will be no need for that. So the next thing is I come to the app right now, and once you come to the app, it will sign you in automatically, because you have already created an account with them on the website. So that is the easiest way to get to this app. Right here you can see that it provides opportunity from 5% to 4%, down to from 5 to down. Okay, so you can see that if you want an opportunity with about 7%, maybe 10%, you can go for upgrading. And if you come to the upgrading side here, you can see the price if you want to pay for lifetime. But I will suggest, before you go for anything upgrading or you want any paid plan or whatever, make sure to test out their free package first, just to be sure that this particular app is giving you what you want before you go ahead upgrading, okay? So that you don't go and dash out the money or the name of purchasing a premium package, why is not even given what is premium, okay? So these are what you'll be getting if you subscribe to the premium. These are what you are going to be getting. You are going to get access to the web referral program. That one is coming soon. Even the web access is still coming soon. So these are all you are going to be getting, because this particular app is under development. So that's by the way. Let's get down to it. So right here, you find out that all these particular arbitrage opportunities seen here has about 4%, which is to say that if you use about $100, you should be making nothing less than $4 plus in profit. But that is not it. There are fees that, fees are attached whenever you're making a transaction, okay? Fees are there. You are going to pay the network fee. So all you have to be doing is clicking on it. That's if you have an account with KuCoin and thereabout. So yeah, this particular token called the GLS is /USDT. You can trade it, buy it on Gate.io and sell it on KuCoin. And right here you can see that the Gate.io, the volume, you can see the difference. The difference in volume is what contributed to the price difference, okay? Right here you can see that this has about 25,744 volume, and right here we are seeing about 6,791 in volume. That is the price difference. That's what contributed to the price difference, okay? So right here it has about 00075 here, 00070 and thereabouts. So now right here comes the network it uses, the Gracia network. That's the name of the token. You can trade it on Base and Ethereum. So, and I will recommend, if this particular token has Base and its Base as its network in both exchange, you can at least go for it, because Base network fee is low compared to Ethereum, the RTC20. So I know a lot of you will be like, he has never shown us a live video, a live trading. Well, focus more on the updates. Forget about the live trading now. That will be coming soon, because what matters more is you getting the update first. Because arbitrage trading requires you a lot of money just to get a little profit. The higher your capital, the higher your profit. The reason why it requires a lot of money is because it's repeatable. So you can repeat it, and the risk to loss is small. So that's your profit and minus, it's small. So if you are making the transactions, the risk is low compared to you doing tradings like futures trading and all that, perpetuals and all that. So that's how it is. So right here, the challenges that comes with this particular token is that there is this particular one, all these tokens, arbitrage opportunity with 4.9%. If you check right now, you might find out that this particular token might not be allowed to be withdrawn in the other exchange, or might not be allowed for deposits or the other exchange, the secondary exchange or the primary exchange. So this is one of the challenges that comes with trading here. So take for an instance, and price changes rapidly. Take for an instance, there's this coin I saw. It's called the Aki or so. So maybe by now the arbitrage opportunity would have elapsed. Okay, so it's seen on Aki between MEXC and Gates.io. It's seen there. So if you want to trade it, you can just go and search on it. But before going, make sure you click on it to make sure that it has a very good that is network. That's a network that won't charge you much. Okay, so that's where you are going to be trading it. So, and one thing about this particular type of arbitrage, all arbitrage trading opportunity, most of them have this one problem whereby being trapped in the liquidity, whereby your orders take time to execute. So this is one thing that causes the arbitrage, whereby it's being traded frequently in the other platform, but in the other one is not being traded there frequently. So because of that, that could cause a delay in price change, and that brings up the arbitrage trading opportunity. So thereby, if you go and buy any token there, you wait until it gets filled before you even make profits out of it. So even looking at all these exchange, these particular apps for arbitrage trading, I'm still going to be making a review between Arbihunt versus Arbimate, which one you should go for. Okay, I'm going to be making a video on these bots. So, and I even prefer going through Arbi trading bots. Let's check for coin arbitrage bots. I even prefer this one to all this app exchange, because this one is accurate compared to those apps. Those apps are not as accurate compared to this particular coin arbitrage bots. They are not as accurate. So let me tell you why I prefer coin arbi bots. Even though it could be stressful, but I still prefer it. It's even more well understood to me. So right here you can just do your filter, select clear all exchange and choose your preferred exchange. Okay, so I like going with Gate.io and MEXC. So let's look for MEXC right now. So this is Gate.io, then the MEXC, we are going to be looking out for it. So this is MEXC right now. So, and you are going to be selecting the base currency, okay, so which is USDT, and the minimum arbitrage percentage. So forget about this 30% down to 50%. See, most of that you won't even find anyone like that. So better off stick to this 1% to 2%. That's what I will advise. Okay, so now after choosing the percentage, you have to fill on the captcha. So after filling it up, you submit. As simple as that. And then it's going to be showing you the opportunities right here. It's going to be showing you the opportunities, coins that you can trade arbitrage opportunity with. And this particular arbitrage trading bot is more accurate compared to all these apps you are seeing. See, I've checked them, and this one, most of the opportunities they show you is mostly on Ethereum, Solana, and all stuff. I don't even know why this red flag here, this rainbow flag. Most of this thing is seen on Solana and all stuff. So you can also filter here if you don't need all this exchange. If the only exchange you want If the only exchange you want is Gate.io and MEXC, you can just filter them out, okay? You can just filter them out and that's it. You can just filter them out. But right here, I'm seeing the fact that you cannot filter them out unless you upgrade. Okay, let's just say minimum 2. You can't even filter them out unless you upgrade, that kind of stuff, which is not cool for me. So this is the one I will recommend, even though it will stress you, but it's better off compared to this one. It will only stress you in terms of you going to check out for the network and all stuff, but this one will show you the network. But let's say 80% here, you won't find anyone that trades on BSC, which I recommend for anyone. You won't find anyone that trades on BSC. Take for an instance, there's one right here I saw which goes for the MEXC and Gate.io. That's called the, let's go and check it. So this is the token. I checked for it and I noticed that it even has the same price, floating in the same price. Even though it's showing us 4%, the price drops rapidly. But according to them, they are using data from the CoinGecko, which is nice, but I won't recommend this particular arbitrage app to anyone. I won't recommend because it's not giving me what I want. And if it's not giving me what I want as someone who wants to trade an arbitrage, I don't think it will give you what you also want, okay? So if you go to MEXC right now to confirm the price difference, even though showing us an arbitrage opportunity. So one thing you should know, that arbitrage price changes rapidly. So you got to be fast whenever you are making this trade opportunity. You can see no much change there. So this particular arbitrage opportunity has elapsed and there is a high liquidity going on right here. So what creates an arbitrage opportunity is low liquidity in the other platform and high liquidity in the other platform. So in my next video, I'm going to be comparing these two arbitrage apps so as to know which one gives the best service, okay, that offers the best service. Let's see that in our next video. Alright, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever I drop new videos, and see you in my next video. Bye.